Changing your username on DAZN is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the DAZN website or open the DAZN app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for your profile account or account settings option. Click on it to access your account management features. Step 3. Select username change option. In the account settings menu, find the option for changing your username. This may be listed under personal information or account details. Step 4. Enter new username. Input your desired new username in the provided field. Make sure it meets any specified requirements such as character limits or restrictions. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Confirm button. Click it to finalize your changes and ensure your new username is updated. Now your username has been successfully changed on DAZN. Enjoy your viewing experience with your new account name.